In this video I'm going to tell you why you must write a book and a few tips on how to do it. As you'll see in this video, this will be the key to growing a huge list of prospects and will become your #1 strategy for getting new clients. Hi, my name is Mark Wickersham. I'm a chartered accountant and I'm passionate about helping other accountants build more successful, more profitable and more enjoyable to run accounting firms. At the end of this video, I'll tell you how you can grab your free copy of the accompanying resource to this video. So let's get started. The third strategy for getting more clients is also a great way to demonstrate you're the credible expert, and that's to write a book. Writing a book is not difficult to do. It doesn't have to be big, it just has to be written. Rob Walsh has written a brilliant one called The Business of Dentistry. This is one of the things that has positioned Rob as the UK expert in dentists. You probably know I have a book called Effective Pricing for Accountants. The one that preceded it was called Practical Pricing for Accountants. Once you create a book, you become an author. You become the expert, and that prestige will last forever. Before I wrote my book, no one thought of me as being the UK's #1 expert in pricing strategies for accountants. But having written a book which became an Amazon bestseller, I'm now seen as the UK's expert in pricing for accountants. It's simply because I've written a book. And writing a book doesn't have to be hard. Keep it simple. It doesn't have to be a big book, but it does need to be well written and valuable. My first book, Practical Pricing for Accountants, is just 30 pages. Why not grab yourself a free copy? The URL is on the screen. It took me less than a week to write this book. Another easy way to write a book is to use a ghostwriter. You'll be amazed at how many books are ghostwritten. To demonstrate your expertise, it doesn't even necessarily have to be a book. It could be an audio course or videos. Let me now explain how you can use your book or an audio program or video course to build your list of potential clients. Seth Godin talks about permission marketing and how we have to turn strangers into friends before we turn them into customers. This means you have to add value to people and build trust before you start to sell. To do that, we give them something valuable for free. You give people a copy of the book that you've written completely free of charge. Marketers call this a golden carrot. In return, they give you their email address. You can automate this process using a lead page, sometimes referred to as a squeeze page or opt-in page. This is a proven strategy for building a powerful database of leads. By way of illustration, at AVN we created our lead page in 2010, and over 2 years we built a list of over 4,000 accountants. These are warm lists. These are accountants who've requested our free resources. These are accountants who can now see that we're the experts and that we're adding value. That list is incredibly valuable. So how big is your list? In a recent survey, I found that many accounting firms have a list of prospects numbering less than 100. That severely limits your growth potential. If you like this video, please click on the like button below. It'll help me with my YouTube rankings, so I'd really appreciate that. If you want to grab your free copy of the accompanying resource, you'll see a link to it in the description below. Finally, look out for the next video in this mini-series called Demonstrate You're the Expert with Webinars. I look forward to sharing more ideas with you then. Goodbye for now.